Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create your gigs on Fiverr. If you are a freelancer and struggling to find which gigs I can create so that my gigs can rank top on the Fiverr and you would get more orders from Fiverr. So, without wasting your time, let's get started. If you don't know, I'm also a seller on Fiverr providing services related to WordPress and SEO. If you need any type of WordPress help, then contact me. The link will be in the description. And now let's get started. So first you have to create an account on Fiverr. Once you have created your account on Fiverr, then you would be able to create your gig. So I will click on create new gig, and now I have to give a title. So you can put a title according to your niche and according to your services, etc. So I will write create a responsive website. Now you have to select your category. I would select programming and tech, then click on WordPress. Now you have to select your service type. So it's a full website creation. Now you can select your fields in which you are specialized. So I am going to check all of them. You can also select the supporting plugins. I would recommend you to select all of them if you have expertise. Now you can select integrated plugins, and these types will be according to your niche. As I have selected all of them, now I would put the tags here. You have to put maximum 5 tags here and minimum 1 tag. I would put tags related to my field, WordPress, blog, WordPress. Now check this box and then click on save and continue. Here you have to select your packages, your prices, and your basic packages, your standard packages, your premium packages, and now name your packages. I would name it basic. This one is standard, and this one premium. Now you can provide the details of your services here. So if you are new and don't know what to put in these fields, I would suggest you to check some other gigs from fiverr.com. So now click on switch to buying, and here search the gigs related to your niche, that is WordPress. Now here select some few top rated gigs, and then you can copy the description from those gigs. So I won't suggest you to just copy and paste the same details here. I would suggest you to make changes before you paste them to your gig. So I would choose this one, and then I would make some changes to it. I have added the description according to my requirements, and now you can select your delivery time. I would select 1 day, 3 days, and 5 days, etc. You can adjust these settings according to your field, according to your requirements, etc. Now check the box in which package you would provide these services and in which package you would not provide these services. Now in the revision fields, I would recommend you to choose the unlimited revisions because this would give a buyer a type of satisfaction that this seller is providing us unlimited revisions, and he would be happy to choose your services. No, you can select your prices. No, I have filled all of the fields. No, you can here add extra services if you want. I am going to skip this for now, and then I will click on save and continue. Here you have to briefly describe your services here. So again, if you don't know what to write, then check other few gigs and read what they are writing in the description, and then rewrite those words in your own wording. Okay, after you have added your description, now you have to add some FAQs. You can add as many questions as you want, then click on, after adding your questions, click on save and continue. And here you have to add your requirements. For example, if a buyer is coming to you and after placing an order, you would have to ask some questions from him, and you can add those questions here. So if buyer will place an order, he would have to answer these questions before your order gets started. So here I have questions that you can add as many questions, as many requirements as you want. Now after completing this, click on save and continue. Okay, after successfully adding FAQs, now you can add your images. Your images should showcase what you are providing to your clients, so that would be very engaging, because picture shows what you are actually doing. So I would recommend you to write every details as much as you can, so your buyers can read it from your pictures also. So I am going to add a picture just for an example here. If you don't know how to make pictures for a Fiverr gig, check out my video that is linked with the iCard, how to make your pictures with Canva. So you would be able to learn how you can make your pictures for Fiverr gigs. You can also add videos. If you like videos are more engaging than pictures, you can also add documents, etc. Then click on save and continue, and then you are finished, almost there. Now click on publish gig, and now your gig is live. Congratulations, you have published your gigs. You can also share it on your social media so people can see it and give you orders. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.